number 19. 12 divided by n minus 2 divided by t is equal to negative 2 by w. The given equation relates the variables n, t and w where n is greater than 0, t is greater than 0 and w is greater than t, which expression is equivalent to n. So we need the value of n. At the moment we have 12 divided by n minus 2 divided by t is equal to negative 2 by w. So we have to perform all the inverse operations in such a way that only n is left on the left hand side of the equation. To do that, we can start off with adding 2 by t on both sides of the equation. So that way the negative 2 by t will get cancelled and this side you will have 2 by t minus 2 by w. We have to have a common denominator so that we can subtract these two terms which are on the right hand side. We can multiply both the numerator and denominator by t. So that way we will have wt as the common denominator and 2w minus 2t. 12 divided by n is equal to this. Now remember we need only n on this side. So what we could do next is, so we need a simplified form and we can also observe that 2 is a common term in the numerator on the right hand side. Both the w and the t terms have a 2 that can be got outside the parenthesis. This is like applying the reverse of the distributive property. So if we have ab minus ac, it's equal to a times b minus c. So there are many ways of simplifying. Another thing is we can just divide both sides of the equation by 2. So that leads to further simplification. So you'll have 6 divided by n is equal to w minus t divided by wt. Next what we can do is, since we need n in the numerator, we can take the reciprocal on both sides. So n by 6 is equal to wt divided by w minus t. Numerator to the denominator and denominator to the numerator on both sides of the equation we can do. And after that we have to just multiply both sides of the equation by 6. So the 6's cancel and you will be left with n is equal to 6 wt divided by w minus t. So now you can observe that what we are left with is n is equal to 6 wt divided by w minus t. Now let us see it matches to which answer choice. You can clearly see that it matches to answer choice D. So answer choice D is the correct answer. So in this one we had to perform a few inverse operations till we arrive at only n on the left hand side of the equation. Initially we have 12 divided by n minus 2t on the left hand side. But we did a lot of inverse operations till we were only left with n on the left hand side of the equation. All the other terms we pushed it to the right hand side of the equation and we even simplified and took the reciprocal whenever needed.